Hi, I'm Richard LeBennett. I'm a product manager with Lenovo here at CES 2019, here to introduce you to our latest addition to our tablet portfolio, the Lenovo Smart Tab. Now, when you first get the device, you pull it out of the box, you'll notice it's actually a 2-in-1. So we offer you a full FHD 10-inch tablet in the box. All of them are less than a pound, as well as a really nice dock. Now, when you take the tablet out of the dock, it's an incredible Android tablet running 8.1 Android. When you dock it in the dock here, you get full immersive audio with two 3-watt speakers, front and back, as well as passive radiators. But the really cool thing is that it actually turns into an Amazon Echo Show. So we partnered with our friends at Amazon to bring you a device that not only gives you a great tablet experience, but everything that you would want in an Echo Show device as well. So showing key relevant information throughout the day, like news, like your weather, and the ability to play things like music and Prime Video right here. And you can place that device anywhere in your home, and as I said, it's a great addition to your smart home. So you not only get a tablet that you can use to consume information, check your email, or generally control your home, as well as use one of the latest and greatest devices like the Amazon Echo Show in your kitchen, your bedroom, your living room, or anywhere else you'd like to place it.